This is Korean Kiwi Guy, back with episode 2 of Korean Cooking 101. Today, I'll be showing you how to make most standard home-style Korean soybean paste stew. It's only going to cost you less than $10 and 30 minutes of your time to make 3 to 4 servings of Korean soybean paste stew, packed with all the goodness of fermented soybean. So, let me show you how. 700 milliliters of water, 3 tablespoons of Doenjang, 1 tablespoon of Gochujang, 300 grams of beef, 1 pack of tofu, 1 onion, 1 potato, 1 zucchini, about 1 spring onion, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, half teaspoon of dashida, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and a little bit of pepper. Now I have everything I need. Let's start cut some ingredients. It's best to cut your vegetables, meat, and tofu to roughly the same size. Okay, when you have all your ingredients prepared and ready, I'll start by frying the meat first with a little bit of cooking oil and pepper just to get all the flavor out. A little bit of cooking oil, 300 grams of beef, a little bit of pepper, once the meat is fully cooked, add 3 tablespoons of Doenjang and 1 tablespoon of Gochujang and fry until everything is well mixed. 3 tablespoons of Doenjang and 1 tablespoon of Gochujang. The reason I'm doing this, frying meat, gochujang, doenjang first, is that I want the flavors of doenjang and gochujang into the meat, as well as infusing all 3 flavors into one before I add anything else. And now, when you are done with frying the meat, doenjang and gochujang, you're about 70% done. And all you need to do is add 700 milliliters of water, mix well until doenjang and gochujang is fully dissolved. After doenjang and gochujang is fully dissolved, add all the other ingredients. Once the potatoes are cooked, it's pretty much done. Although you can serve as it is now, I would garnish with some fresh chopped spring onions and a little bit of chili powder. So there you have it. 3 to 4 servings of authentic, delicious Korean soybean paste stew, packed with all the goodness of fermented Korean soybean paste, made under $10. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to this channel. Next episode, episode 3 of Korean Cooking 101, will be another staple Korean stew called kimchi stew. And it's actually easier than this one as long as you have well-fermented kimchi. So, this is Korean Kiwi Guy. See you next time. Always, have fun cooking!